Good morning to all. 7th standard biology. In previous class, Hala finished your book back exercise 5 to 9, page number 118 to 120. Okay, today we take your biology note and write the question answer. You take a fresh page and write. First you write date and days. Today, date and days. Then the respiration in organism, the heading. You write the chapter 10, respiration in organism. Then the subheading, Roman letter 1 போட்டு write the subheading, answer the followings. Okay, answer the followings. Students, all listen carefully. You write the heading, question answer. You use only black pen. Okay, write the answer. Use only blue pen. Listen, heading and question. Use only black pen. The answer you use only blue pen. Okay, Amma? Okay. One question and the answer finish. You leave here one line. In drawing place, we use only pencil. Okay. Listen. In drawing place, you use only pencil, not a pen. Heading, drawing, writing, anyone you use only pencil in a drawing place. Okay. The drawing place means code இல்லாத பக்கம். புரிஞ்சுதா? Okay. The first question. Why does an athlete breathe faster and deeper than usual after finishing the race? Athlete means you already know. Running, walking. Okay, athletics. Why does an athlete breathe faster and deeper than usual after finishing the race? Okay, it's a question. First question. The answer: running increases the breathing rate. So, to overcome it, an athlete breathes faster and deeper so that he can inhale more oxygen to the lungs. Okay. Running increases the breathing rate. Yes or no? Any work you are doing, your breathing rate is increasing. So, to overcome it, an athlete breathes faster and deeper so that he can inhale more oxygen into the lungs. That is the answer. Second question. List the similarities and differences between aerobic and anaerobic respiration. Question, you write blue pen or black pen. We use only black pen. Okay. Question, you write black pen. List the similarities and differences between aerobic and anaerobic respiration. The answer, first question, similarities between aerobic and anaerobic respiration. The first answer. Similarities. You seen only a similarities. 3 points given. The first point, both processes include exchange of gases. Then second one, both processes liberate energy. Then third one, both processes takes place inside the cell. Okay, both processes include the exchange of gases, then liberate energy, and it takes place only inside the cell. The three are similarities of aerobic and anaerobic respiration. Okay, then next one, differences between aerobic and anaerobic respiration. You draw a tabulation. Okay, you draw a tabulation. We use the tabulation line, use only pencil, not a pen. Understand? We use only the tabulation line, pencil. Okay, aerobic respiration. First point, it takes place in the presence of oxygen. Aerobic respiration takes place only the presence of oxygen. Then anaerobic respiration, it takes place in the absence of oxygen. Then second point, it is completed in cytoplasm and mitochondria of cell. The cytoplasm and mitochondria is the cell organelles. Okay, then anaerobic, it completed in the cytoplasm only. The aerobic respiration, mitochondria and also cytoplasm. Anaerobic is completed in cytoplasm only. Okay, then third one, it involves the complete oxidation of glucose into CO2 plus H2O. CO2 means carbon dioxide and H2O means water. Okay, it involves, you refer your books, it involves the complete oxidation of glucose into carbon dioxide and water. Then anaerobic involves in the incomplete oxidation. It's a complete one, aerobic respiration, but anaerobic incompleted oxidation of glucose into carbon dioxide and also alcohol. Okay, listen. Anaerobic respiration involves incomplete oxidation. Understand? The glucose change into carbon dioxide and also alcohol. Okay, the fourth point, the process is harmless. In aerobic respiration, that process is harmless. Anaerobic respiration, the process is toxic to plant. Okay, anaerobic respiration, the process is toxic to plants. Okay, only 4 points differences. Okay, similarities 3 points. You write the 2 questions in your note neatly and clearly. Okay, you write in your biology note neatly and clearly. Okay, so student, write the 2 questions only. Okay, the balance next session. Okay, the balance question answer is next session. Thank you.